Hello everybody. So today we are going to look at the periodic trend of electronegativity. So in your Edmodo, go to the post that says electronegativity. We have the link for the reading. We have the practice questions, and we have my email that you can send your answers to. So let's take a look at this trend. So when atoms form chemical bonds, when they interact, when they react with each other, atoms of some elements are going to be able to attract valence electrons better than others. So electronegativity is going to be the ability of an atom to attract the electrons when the atom is part of a compound. So when an atom is combining with another atom to form a compound, one of the atoms is going to have a higher ability of attracting the electrons to form the compound. So electronegativity, it's different from electron affinity because electron affinity is the energy released when an atom gains an electron. So electronegativity is more of a relative measurement. Okay, so atoms are going to be either more or less electronegative than other atoms. So all the elements are going to be compared to each other, and the most electronegative element, fluorine, has the highest electronegativity value of 3.98. So fluorine is going to be the element that attracts electrons the best. So this is a table. This shows all the electronegative values, all the electronegativity values. So metals, they don't have a lot of valence electrons. So to get more stable, get closer to that noble gas configuration, they are going to lose electrons and become cations. So because they lose electrons, they're going to have low electronegativities. Nonmetals have more valence electrons, so to get more stable, they are going to gain electrons and become anions. All right? So because of this, the electronegativities of nonmetals are going to be high. So the trend of electronegativities, they generally increase from left to right across a period. And then down a group, they are going to decrease from top to bottom, moving down a group. So the reason that they increase from left to right across a period is because we have an increase in the nuclear charge, okay? Noble gases do not have electronegativities because they generally do form compounds. And then electronegativities are going to decrease from top to bottom within a group because we have a larger atomic size. Let's see, let's make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay. Well, I think the only thing I might have missed is when the difference between electronegativities is greater than around 1.7, we get a complete exchange of electrons. All right, and that's going to happen between a metal and a nonmetal. All right. And I think that's it. So make sure that you finish your questions and turn them into me.